Hello, welcome everybody to Temmy Crypto Live. This is Sunday's edition, and I'd like to welcome all the people who are joining the program today. Hope you're doing great and that you are enjoying your weekend. So, let's begin by taking a look at the markets as usual. So let's open our trading view. So I want to, as we open this, I'd like to thank all the people that have been watching the show and the replay. Thank you for being there. Writing your comments, your support, and the people who are also congratulating us on Telegram, and the new members of the community. Thank you very much for joining up. Well, let's see. Let's check out Bitcoin. So this is Sunday morning for a UTC time, very early in the morning. So not much activity at the moment, but anyhow, we're going to take a look at, okay. So, the price has rebounded since we last looked at it yesterday. So, a little bit unexpected, but let's see. Well, not actually too unexpected, because if you see this inverted hill here, this is a bullish trend. This is the 4 hours. However, we don't see enough strength, so as you can see here, I don't know if this is too clear, but the movement is doing this. So it's not that strong, and we can see the descending line here showing low strength, but it's the weekend, so not a lot of volume and not too much strength. So what should we expect? Probably this movement to die out and then revert to the downside and wait for Monday to see what the price would be, or what the context, the markets, where the markets in general are heading up or down, the stock market as well as the crypto market, the news, etc. You know, a new week can bring lots of new information that can affect the markets. Right, but I don't see a strong movement to the ups or to the upside today or early Monday. Okay, so what about Ethereum? Ethereum has been the protagonist in the past few days, so let's look at it. Ethereum is USDT. Okay, Ethereum. The price of Ethereum has stabilized, so there is an uptrend still, but not so strong as we can see here. The strength is low, so what can we expect? Probably the price could continue in the same range. I don't think it's going to go higher than what we see here. See, I would like to see this even clearer. Let's see, yeah. I don't think we're gonna go higher than 3,900. If it continues going up, I don't think it'll be even higher than 3,800. So it should stay in the 3,700 level. That's what I see. How about you? What do you think? Do you have a different opinion? If you do, please write in the comments later, or if you are online watching this live, please write your comments in the chat. So that's for the most important two coins. So let's go to CoinMarketCap and check out the other coins. How have they been doing? So we see mostly green for the past 24 hours, but not as green. Then later we can see the bunter bubbles probably. Let's say BNB basically staying the same. Solana a little higher than yesterday, 0.90 almost. Dogecoin up 5.50%. Good move to the upside. Shiba Inu at 2.06 higher than yesterday. Near protocol. Yesterday we were talking about AI, so it's up 6.05%. Interesting move. Pepe also up. So the two narratives that we were talking about yesterday, AI and meme coins, the market is favoring them. What about Uniswap? Uniswap in the ETH ecosystem, 9.26% up. Pretty interesting. I remember a couple months ago, Uniswap was hacked, or it was involved in a hack or something like that. The price went terribly down. Maybe we can try to find the date when that happened, or approximately when that happened. Whatever the case may be, seems like Uniswap is recovering from that event. Let's see, 1 month, no, the yearly. Yeah, we had, this is when, March. Yeah, it was March 7th when the price went 6th when the price went up. It pumped really hard up there, and then there was this crash here on April 8th. This is probably when that event happened. The price just collapsed, went down to 6.9, now recovering levels at $11.30. Good. So that's worth noticing. And what other coins? Well, Caspa is up 7.59%. This is the other narrative, blockchains. There's one and layer 2, layer 2s, no? Width up 12.40%. If you believe that width was done, well, you are wrong. So the past 24 hours, width has recovered ground in a very significant way. Arbitrum layer 2 at 3.66, higher than yesterday. The other narratives that we are following, Bonk 5.32 and Flocky 5.05. So the meme coin narrative has gone really well in the past 24 hours. Beam, the gaming narrative up 1.34%. Okay, that's for the markets. So let's take a look at how many, if there are people right now on the chat, and if they are making any comments. Well, let me see. This is not what I'm looking at. Oh, I thought I was not live, but I am. Okay. So, at the moment, no comments, so we're going to continue with the announcements. If you check your feed, you can see there that we have programmed a live session on Tuesday at 1 a.m. UTC. We will be having Ayetu network with us. So this is the first collaboration we're going to have with the big blockchain that is going to be working mainly for the continent of Africa. So we're going to learn how Ayetu expects to contribute to the finances and money management of African individuals in the different countries of this great continent. So they're going to discuss probably about all the plans that they have for Africa. They've, as far as I've been informed, we're going to have more details on Monday, but what they want to do is facilitate the exchange of services and products and transactions, finances in general from companies and individuals, etc., which are not completely banked. Sorry. In Africa, it is difficult to make transactions there, as far as I know. So, all money transfers, etc., it takes a lot of effort and money to do. So, what Ayetu expects to contribute to is facilitate exchange of goods and services, and also money transfers, etc., throughout the continent with a very practically used app, if I'm not mistaken, and having as the support of all this, the blockchain. So it's very, very innovative. I don't think it's been done before, and it's going to revolutionize the finances in Africa. So we are going to have one or two, probably one of the representatives of this blockchain, which is really something important, and it represents one step forward in the significance of crypto in general and the use cases that has been widely criticized, especially during this cycle. I heard many comments of many people on YouTube saying that, oh, let's forget about use cases. It's just a nice name, the memecoin narrative, and the use cases should be forgotten. Well, we're going to probably prove that wrong on Tuesday at 1 a.m. when Ayetu network comes over and explains what they plan to do with the blockchain. All right, so now that we have gone through the announcements, the most important ones, let's focus on our community. Temmy, what news do we have? Well, there are a couple of interesting things that happen in the community today. Okay, let's see if I can show the chat. Hold on a second. Okay. So in the chat, well, we've been posting the nicer covers and thumbnails for our videos and send them to our Telegram and we're posting them. We just posted the the link to the session on Monday. Okay. Tuesday. Sorry, Tuesday. At 1 a.m. And what else we have? Oh, I'm on the wrong chat. This is it. Okay. So, surprisingly, yesterday we had this message from Tommy Crypto. Tommy Crypto says this: good morning, everyone. I tried my best to make Temmy happen. From what I can do, I see you still working hard. I like it. Cheers, Tommy. So, for the people that said that Tommy had totally abandoned the project, well, he's been following what we are doing. Probably he will see the replay of this stream, and I want to say hello to Tommy, and you're always welcome. So happy to read your message, honestly. Okay, I also wanted to check out something interesting that Tommy said on his channel, where he has 1,440 subscribers. Tommy Crypto Calls, what did he say? This: good morning and good happy weekend to everyone. Trading and even more creating memes on pump.fun is often really complex and difficult. On the hand, we all want to make money, but pump.fun is a heavy player versus player. If you are a creator, try to be open and transparent. People will love it and give you the trust. Let's build and create. So, this goes online with what I said yesterday. If you remember, I made a comment about trading on pump.fun, which said that basically it is very tough to make money on pump.fun. And how did I prove it? Well, we went over a couple of videos on YouTube which said that you could make 100x or 10x or turn $1,000 into $10,000 on pump.fun. And the people who made the videos couldn't find a project in the 30 minutes the videos lasted, couldn't find a project that would make them win something or make some money. It is so difficult that you have to probably to find a good project where you can actually make money. You have to be 24/7 or maybe 24 hours in a day, and if you're lucky you'll pick one and you beat the other 5,000 traders looking for the same thing you're looking for. Well, not a very good idea. Probably at the beginning pump.fun would give you money, but at this point people just have gotten so expert at sniping coins that have potential, and that it is basically impossible to beat them all. So what Tommy is saying here is that you should create, be transparent, be open, and this is actually what we're trying to do here with Temmy. So if you really want to profit, this is not going to happen without any effort, just putting some money in some coin and 5 minutes later you're rich. That's not going to happen. So in my view we have to make community, start building, working hard, and then the investors will come and the project will grow, the market cap will grow, and then we all can achieve our goals together. But if we don't work together and we try to profit from one another as fast as we can, this is not going to work. Really, this is not going to work. This is a long-term play, and we have to be consistent, work hard every day as we're doing here, and build community. Eventually, if things go well, we can reach our highest goals. But if not, well, you know what happens. So there was an interesting video I was watching. Tomorrow I will bring it to the program, because it is talking about community takeovers and the opportunities they bring. Very interesting. Community takeovers that are or that have been working consistently on their projects are being really successful. So in that video they were talking about, as an example, they used a community takeover from Ethereum. there are some community takeovers that are very successful on Solana as well, and they are in the 5 million market cap, 10 million market cap, so they're succeeding. And if we have a really big bull run, they're going to make a lot of money. And as I sincerely expect that Temmy will do the same. But we all have to work hard. Okay, so let's take a look at the Temmy chart before we call the show. Let's see. Let's go to Bird Eye. By the way, if you have requests for coins that you'd like us to review, just send me a message on the chat and we will be looking at them. Okay, the volume is kind of low. The price is stable at 11 0 4 zeros 1101. Okay. Let's see if we can. Yep. So remember a couple of days, 4 days ago, the price went up. It was expected to retrace a little bit. From this point, I expected to continue upwards. This is what I see. I don't know what you see. Wow. It's been cold in the past couple of days. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, I want to see the chat if there's someone who'd like to intervene in the chat. If not, we can call the show. So please remember that on Tuesday at 1 a.m. UTC we'll have Ayetu network with us. It's going to be, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a fantastic interview with the Ayetu people. And we're going to learn a lot, and especially about the impact that a blockchain like Ayetu can bring to Africa. I remember that the Cardano people have been talking about Africa and how they can contribute to Africa through their blockchain for several years, but they've done nothing concrete as far as I know. Ayetu is working so fast that I think they're going to beat the Cardano people very, very quickly. Okay, so and that's it for today. Thank you for being with us, and hope to see you tomorrow. So, happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Goodbye.